Hello student, today's subtopic is decimal fraction and vulgar fraction. Now what is meant by the decimal fraction? If the fraction with the denominator 10, 100, 1000, then the fraction is called as the decimal fraction. For example, 3 upon 10, 14 upon 100, 16 upon 1000. These are the decimal fraction. And fraction is converted into decimal form. For example, fraction is 1 upon 2. It is converted in decimal fraction also 0.5, 5 upon 10. 1/4 equal to 0.25. Question number 1. Write two integer 1/4 in decimal form. We can easily calculate the answer. 1 upon 4 means 0.25. 4 divided by 1, and answer is, it is not 0 point, take a 0, 2, 4 2s are 8, 2, take a 0, 4 5s are 20. Means 1/4 equal to 0.25. And 2 integer 1/4 means 2.25. 0.25. Our answer is option number 3. Next question is, arrange the fractions 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6 in descending order and write the first fraction. Descending means highest to lower. Now convert this fraction into decimal form. 1/2, that is 0.5. 1/3, 0.33. Divide the 1 by 3. Decimal point 0, 3 3s are 9. Again 0, 3 3s are 9. 1 upon 3 means 0.33. And 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means 0.25. 1 upon 5, that is 0.2. 5 2s are 10. 1 upon 6 equal to 6. 1 divided by 6. Decimal point 6 1s are 6. 6 6s are 36. 0.16. That is 1 upon 6 is the smallest number. One half is greater than 1 upon 3, which is greater than 1/4, which is greater than 1/5, and 1 upon 6 the smallest number. Descending means higher to lower number. So our answer is first number 1 upon 2. Descending order means write the greatest number first and then smaller number. And in this example we ask the descending order and write the first fraction. There 1/2 is the first fraction. So our answer is option number 1. By another method, when the numerator is equal, here is all fraction having the numerator 1. Numerator equal to 1, then see at the denominator. If the denominator is less number, that fraction is the highest number. 1 1 1, numerator is 1. So look at the denominator. Which denominator is smallest? That is 2. 2 is the smallest denominator. So this fraction is the greatest fraction and 1 upon 6 is the smallest fraction. Next question is question number 3. Addition of 3 fractions. 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. If you want to add at a time, then take a LCM of 2, 3 and 5. Make the denominator equal. First of all, make the denominator equal. 2 stable, 3 stable and 5 stable. Which number is equal? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Equal denominator, make the equal denominator, and 30 is the equal denominator. The table of 2, table of 3 and table of 5. 30 is the first number, that is the LCM equal to 30. So we make the equal denominator, multiply 2 by 15, 15 into 2, 30. So in numerator also multiply by 15, 3 into 15 plus 3 into 10, 30. So 2 into 10 plus 5, 6 are 30. So 4, 6 are 24. 30. 20 upon 30, 24 upon 30. Now denominator equal, so add in only in numerator. 45 plus 20 plus 24, 89 upon 30. Our answer is 89 upon 30, option number 2. Or first add only two numbers, 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3. Denominator is not equal, so cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9 plus 4 upon 6, 13 upon 6. Now 13 upon 6 plus 4 upon 5. Now cross multiplication. 13 into 5, 65 plus 6 into 4, 24 and 6 5s are 30. In this case, I first add only two numbers and answer is 13 upon 6. 9. Now 13 plus 6 plus third number and answer is 18 upon 30. Option number 2. Answer is option number 2. Do as you wish at a time, or take two numbers, addition of two numbers, then add the third number. Now next question is multiplication of two fraction. 3 upon 4 into 4 upon 6. Now here numerator and denominator, there is the division. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are cut in numerator and denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. And in numerator 1 into 1, 1 upon 1 into 2, 2. And our answer is option number 3, 1 upon 2. Now next example. Question number 5. 15 upon 14 into 21 upon 10 into 4 upon 3. Now in numerator and denominator, 15 upon 14 into 21 upon 10 into 4 upon 3, cross numerator and denominator. These are in 5's table. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. 14 and 21 is in 7th table. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now look at the numerator. 1 into 3 into 1. In denominator 1 into 1 into 1. So answer is 3. Option number 3. Next question. 3 upon 4 into 5 upon 6. 3 upon 4 into 5 upon 6. In numerator and denominator, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now 4 and 5. 1 into 5 upon 4 into 2. 1 into 5, 5, 4 into 2, 8. That is, answer is option number 4, 5 upon 8. Now next is, what is to be added to 5 ninth of 4 upon 9 to get 1 upon 3. Let x be added, x number be added. So x is added, x plus added to 5 ninth of 4 upon 9 to get answer 1 upon 3. So x plus 5 upon 9 into of means into 4 upon 9 equal to 1 upon 3. X plus cross multiplication, cross division, no common. So 5 into 4, 20. 9 nines are 81 equal to 1 upon 3. And this number, positive number, goes to right hand side. It becomes negative number, minus 20 upon 81. X equal to 1 upon 3 minus 20 upon 81. By cross multiplication, 1 into 81, 81 minus 3 into 20, 60 upon 3 into 81, 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. 81 minus 60, 21 upon 243. And again it is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 ones are 3. Answer is 7 upon 81. Answer is option number 7, option number 2, 7 upon 81. Next question. First, the addition of two subtraction of two fraction plus multiplication of two fraction. 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. By rule, first do the multiplication. 3 minus 1 half plus, first do that this multiplication. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. Now minus addition. Minus 1 half plus half, 1 half cut. Answer is 3. So option number 3 is the correct answer. First do the multiplication. Numerator, denominator, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now 1, 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. 1 half minus 1 half cut. Answer is 3. Next question is 4 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 divided by 4 upon 5. Which operation is first, addition, subtraction or division? First do the multiplication, then division. 4 upon 5 plus, first do the multiplication. 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25 divided by 4 upon 5. Now which operation is doing first? Do the division. 4 upon 5 plus 16 upon 25, and division it convert into multiplication, so take the reciprocal of 4 upon 5, that is 5 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Now 4 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5, do the addition. Denominator equal, so 4 plus 4, 8. Our answer is 8 upon 15. Our answer is 8 upon 5, the option number 3, 8 upon 5. Next question. What is to be added to 49 upon 56 to get 8 upon 7? Let x be added. So x be added, x plus 14 upon 56, and we get the answer 8 upon 7. We have to find the value of x. So this addition, add positive number 49 upon 56 goes to negative. X equal to, when we change the side, change the sign also. 8 upon 7 minus 49 upon 56. Make the denominator equal. If we do the by cross multiplication, but the numbers are bigger, so we make the denominator equal. 56, 7 8s are 56, so multiply it by 8. So 8 is multiplied by 8, numerator denominator multiply by 8 to make the fraction denominator equal. Minus 56 49 upon 56, x equal to 64 upon 56 minus 49 upon 56, and answer is 15 upon 56. Answer is 15 upon 56, that is the option number 4. Answer is option number 4. There is a hint to find the between number. To find the fraction between two given fraction, add both numerator and denominator respectively, and we get the new fraction. For example, 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus 3 upon 2 plus 4, that is 4 upon 6. But this answer is not given here, so simplify it. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so we get the number 2 upon 3. Our answer is option number 4, 2 upon 3. Next question is 45 integer 3 by 4 divided by 27 integer 3 by 4. This is the mixed fraction. Make it in the simple fraction. 45 3 upon 4. 45 integer 3 upon 4. So 4 into 45 plus 3 upon 4. 45 into 4, 180. 180 plus 3, 183 upon 4. And 27 integer 3 upon 4 equal to 27 into 4, 4 into 27 plus 3 divided by 4. So 108 plus 3 upon 4, 111 upon 4. Put this value numerator. 45 integer 3 upon 4 means 183 upon 4 divided by 111 divided by 4. 4 4s are cut. So answer is 183 upon 111. So our answer is option number 1. Now next example, find the vulgar form of 5.75. This is the decimal form and we want it in the fraction form. 5.75 means 575 divided by, there is the 2 decimal place, so divided by 100, and make it simplest form. Divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 upon 5 2s are 10 and 0. Again it is divisible by 2, divisible by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So our answer is 23 upon 4. Another method, 5.75 means 5 integer, 0.75 means 3 upon 4. 0.75 means 3 upon 4. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23 upon 4. Our answer is option number 4. Next question. How do we write the number 0.57 in percentage form? 0.57, there are 2 decimal places, so 57 upon 100. and answer is option number 4, that is 57%. Next example number 14. There are two brackets and in between there is the division. First of all, solve the brackets. 3 integer 1/2 plus 2 integer 1/3 divided by 3 integer 1/2 minus 2 integer 1/3. This is the mixed fraction. First, make it in the fraction. 2 into 3 plus 1, 7/2 plus 3 into 2 plus 1, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7/3 divided by. Now same the way, 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7/2 minus 7/3. Now addition of two fraction, denominator is not equal, by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, 7 3s are 21 minus plus 2 into 7, 14/6 division. 7 3s are 21 minus 14/6. Answer, addition of these two number, 35/6 division 7/6. Now there is the division, but make it in multiplication form. 35/6 multiplication, take the sign of multiplication. Now take the reciprocal of the next one, that is 6/7. 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Numerator denominator 6 cut. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Answer is 5. So our answer is option number 3. Next example, 7.2305 is divided by 2.5. In the denominator there is the decimal point. We want to remove this decimal point. Decimal point is only 1. So make multiplication of 10. 2.5 into 10. So in the numerator also multiplication of 10. So denominator become 25 and at the numerator 72.305. Decimal place goes to 1 place. Now 25 divided 72.305 divided by this number is divided by 25. 25 2s are 50. 22.3. 25 8s are 200. 23 remainder 0. 25 9s are 225. 5. 25 2s are 50. 5. Now take a 0 again. 25 2s are 50. So our answer is 2.8922, option number 1. Answer is option number 1. Next question is 1/3 plus 1/3. Solve the addition at the denominator. Addition is take 1 here. So denominator are not equal. So by cross multiplication, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 1s are 1 upon 1 into 3 3. So 1/10/3. So we write 1 into, take a reciprocal of 3/10. So our answer is 3/10. 1/10/3. So answer is 3/10. Option number 2. Next is 4.5 years, 30 months, 24 months, and answer is in year. We all know that 12 months equal to 1 year. So 30 months equal to 30 months we write as 24 plus 6. So 24 months equal to 2 year and 6 month equal to half year, that is 0.5 year. 2.5 year. 30 months means 2.5 year and 24 months equal to 2 year. So add these 4.5 years plus 30 months means 2.5 year and 24 months means 2 year. 5 plus 5 10 decimal point 4 8 plus 9 9 year. So our answer is 9 years. We find the equivalent fraction of 324 upon 144. 324 divided by 144. Both the numbers are divided by 16. First we divide it by 4. 144 divided by 4. 4 8 32. 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 6s are 24. Now this number is again divided by 9. 9 9s are 81 and 9 4s are 36. This is the simplest form and our answer is 9 upon 4 and given options are 4 upon 9 and 9 upon 4 is the second option. So our answer is option number 2. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.